Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is July 4th, 2022, and today is Monday morning. So looking at the highlights of the day, the market's pretty much wavering. Now, there are no economic events scheduled for today. Today is July 4th, which is a national holiday in the United States, Independence Day. So some of the markets in the U.S. are closed and most will be affected as such. So do expect lighter volume across the board. So starting out with the Forex symbols, the major pairs gain versus the U.S. dollar, while the indices, the Dow Jones and the NASDAQ, both wavering. Looking at commodities, gold on the bottom range, while oil unchanged. Looking at the stocks, tech stocks still weak, while Bitcoin breaking 20K and staying below it. So let's take a look at the markets and see what we can expect from today's trading. So here we go. We're starting out with a 4-hour chart of the EURUSD. We've pretty much had this low of this 103.90-ish level, but we're bouncing off of it. However, we're still on downwards momentum. I do expect some sort of break here on the downside, potentially to still happen. Now, looking at the GBP USD, still also coming across. If we look at that 1 second, let's draw it all out. GBP, looking at that, trading at 121. It's steady, but is trading a little bit below and does have this resistance-ish level at this level, as this was previous support right there. So keep that in mind. If it doesn't break higher, it's going to go lower, so keep that in mind as well. Aussie US dollar did push higher this morning, but then made a correction here. It's from 68.62 down to 68.42. A nice decent retracement there. Now looking at commodities, gold first, trading at 1808 this morning, just shy of $4 from this morning's trading session, but not doing much. All right, this is the bottom of the range, so I do expect it to pick up from here on the upside. Now looking at oil, trading at 107, still kind of steady here between these two parallel lines. Now looking at the Dow Jones, trading right now at 30,856. It pushed higher last week to 31,700-ish level, but then conked out. All right, so it is still trading. Not the best place to catch it, but you know, if it does go above the 31,500, that's a potential short squeeze there. Now looking at the NASDAQ, okay, the NASDAQ has been at 11,527, also just trading sideways right now. I think this is going to continue happening until the end of the summer, as we're going to get clearer as to which direction the market's going to go. Apple seemed to be the strongest one of the lot. Well, Microsoft also gained as well, but if we look at Facebook, ooh, so not good. On the bottom of its range, if we look at a 4-hour chart, you can see a little bit better. It's still pretty weak, okay, on lows for the year as well. Now, lastly, looking at Bitcoin, all right, this is where we're at, 19,132. We're below that 20K level. Psychologically, it's an important level. In the Fibonacci, we have a support level of this 19,900, or let's call it 20,000. So this potentially could go back down to the teens, low teens, if this continues correcting itself. So keep that in mind as this is still unfolding. This is Razak. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.